Hey, welcome back to my channel. Well, what's going on is my mouse right click is not working. Spending hours to read through the tutorial and checks for updates, uninstall this and that, and obviously just restarting a computer doesn't make it work. Here I've discovered these alternative options for right click on any computers. Physically, no hardware or software updates instantly, but can be temporarily or permanently used as per your choice. So let's dive in. Alternative ways to right click. Number 1. Use the context menu button or key on your keyboard. Find the key button that called context menu button on your keyboard. It's often located in between the right Windows key and Ctrl key. Next, press the context menu key and use the navigation keys to navigate through options like when you do the right clicking. And of course, hit the enter or left click to select the commands or options. Alternative way to right click. Number 2. Use the shortcut of Shift plus F10. Another way to right click using the keyboard shortcut is by holding press on both Shift plus F10 keys together. Then use the navigation keys to make the choice. And don't forget to hit the enter or left click on the options to make it happen. Alternative way to right click. Number 3. Use the on-screen keyboard with the context menu button. The last method to right click without the physical right click on your mouse is by using the on-screen keyboard. So go to search in Windows and type in on-screen keyboard. Click to open it. Now find the context menu button, which is button looks like an icon for a page. It's often located on the right side of the keyboard. It's near the right Ctrl key. In my case, it's under the right Shift key here. So whenever you want to right click, just use the left click and click on this context menu button. Next, left click to choose the options. Notice that as for the way number 1 and way number 2 in this video, if your left click doesn't work, then you can still right click and choose the options by pressing enter key. However, with the on-screen keyboard, you definitely need your left click. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.